Hello my passionate love! So my name is Amy of amyspassiondiary and welcome upon this YouTube channel. Alright, so I am here for another makeup tutorial slash first impression video. I'll be reviewing and testing a new eyeshadow quad that I recently purchased. Well, not really recently. I got this one since the 7th of July. And that is the bite-sized eyeshadow palette or eyeshadow quad from e.l.f. Cosmetics. And this is in the shade Very Bad. The name is definitely pretty cute, and this is my first time trying this eyeshadow palette or quad because of the season. It's now autumn and it's leaning towards Christmas holidays. I honestly felt like when holidays are approaching, I felt like they're kind of like the wine type of color, like burgundy berries type of color is such a great shade or color eyeshadows to use during, you know, this time of the year, December. It's just giving that vibe that holidays are around the corners. And yeah, that's why I decided to just finally use this eyeshadow quad, and of course I'm giving you my thoughts about this, if it's, you know, if it's something that you should pick up or not. So this eyeshadow palette or quad retails for only €4 and I got this one on the Douglas website. So I've been eyeing this quad since that it was released finally in the Netherlands. Yeah, so I just thought I'd grab one and try it myself, and this is I end up getting. So in this video I also featured another two more products, which is the LA Girl Pomade. I already tried this product, I think, yeah, twice, and today is the third time probably. And also the NYX Effect ink liner, because I am definitely very curious about this product. So you're going to hear my thoughts at the end of this video, what my thoughts are on these other two new products that I purchased. Before we move on to the makeup store, if you don't know me, my name is Amy and I have a huge passion and heart for makeup or anything beauty related stuff such as skincare and makeup. So if that's something you find interesting, please do consider subscribing on my channel, and please hit the notification bell so you get notified every time that I upload new videos here on my channel. So you guys, for today's video, for today's makeup tutorial, I didn't do a cut quiz. I wanted to do something different and something that you can follow. You can definitely skip the eyeliner, the wing liner, if you find it difficult to do. Yeah, so yeah, I think this is a very fun makeup look. This eye makeup look literally can take me only 10 minutes, and since that I'm doing a makeup tutorial, it would take me, I think it took me roughly 20 minutes. So let's move on to the makeup tutorial. Alright, so for primer, I'll be using the Revlon Candid Concealer in the shade Vanilla. Alright, so I don't normally do this thing, but I'm going to set my lid. So you just use any beige color eyeshadow or kind of like same skin tone as yours. You can even use your setting powder to set the lid. I'll be using this one. This is from Lottie London times Twilly palette. So we're going to use a transition color first. Normally I'm going to start with a deeper shade, but today we're going to change things up a little bit. So I am going to use a transition shade first. I hate that word, I swear. So I'm going to take the shade. There is no name on this quad, this eyeshadow quad. So I'll be taking the shade right here. I'm just gonna point it on the screen. There you go, this shade. So there is a lot of kickback on the pan, as you all can see. But that's alright, as long as we get the pigment that we wanted, it's fine. Top of the excess, guys, because I said it's very powdery. And then we're going to apply it on our crease. This is not a cut crease makeup, by the way. It's a great transition color. We're going to deepen up this eye makeup look, but we're going to keep it softer on our crease area. But we're going to deepen up a little bit, and we're going to use this deep shade right here, this very deep wine color. Start with your outer corner. As I said, this is yeah, this is like a smoky eye makeup look, you guys. I don't do this often and this kind of technique because I love doing cut crease, but I want to change things up a little bit today. And also I think that this is a lot easier for you guys to follow this kind of type of makeup look, wherein there is no cut crease involved. So as you probably guys can tell, this eyeshadow is definitely very pigmented. You need to build up like the pigmentation of the eyeshadow, but that's alright, you know. This is definitely a very buildable eyeshadow in terms of pigmentation. Now we're going to blend out the crease area because it's definitely quite harsh. We're just going to take the same shade, which is this one, the lighter one. So take your blending brush, you guys. This is such a freaking quick makeup look. If I'm not filming, I can do this look like in 15 minutes. Alright, so the next that we're going to do, I tried to cover like the window in front of me, you guys, because it's so bright. I don't think that you can see what's happening on the lid. We're going to highlight the brow bone area. I'm going to use the shade Literally from this Lottie London palette, this one right here. It's a beige color. It looks white on the camera, but it's not. On the lid area, we're going to apply one of the shimmers. There's two shimmers here in the middle part of the quad. There you go. So I swatched them both. As you can see, this is, yeah, this one is a bit like rusty color, while the other one is a shimmery mauve color. I think that I'm going to use the shimmery kind of like rusty color to give a little bit dimension on the eye makeup, because if I'm going to use the mauve color, which is also great, but I want to give, as I said, a bit dimension. So let's use the rusty color. I'm going to wet the brush. There you go. So that's the beautiful pigment when you wet your brush. Right, so I'm pretty much happy with how the lid, the upper lid looks like. We're going to move on to the lower lash line. I'm going to put on some lenses and I'm going to do the face routine. You're going to see it, guys. To the eye area and finish up this eye makeup look, let me tell you guys, this LA Girl brow gel, this is amazing. I thought that the e.l.f. one could be a dupe for my Anastasia brow pomade, but this one is way better. The gel or cream or whatever it's inside this pomade, this is very firm. At first I was like, oh my gosh, it's not gonna be pigmented, but I swear to you, this is freaking amazing. I love the shade. It's way better than the e.l.f. one, because the e.l.f. is way lighter, and it definitely, especially throughout the day, it kind of smudge a bit. It's kind of losing its pigmentation. It's still good, but this one is better because it's the second time I tried this one, and it just stays perfect the whole freaking day. So let's try to finish up this eye makeup look. So this is very optional. You can skip this part and move on to the lower lash line, which I'm going to show in a minute. But first I'm going to line my upper lash line. I'm going to create a wing liner. This is a new product that I purchased. This is going to be in my whole video for sure. I think the whole video will be up first than this makeup tutorial, but we will see. But so yeah, this is the NYX Epic ink liner. I am curious about this product because a lot of people love this one, especially Willie. This eyeliner is freaking impressive. I thought that the Maybelline one was good, but that one dried up pretty quick. And yeah, that is my issue with that. This one is freaking, it glides on smooth. I can do this eyeliner pretty quick than what I normally do with Maybelline. This one is definitely better. So yeah, if you don't believe this is my Maybelline one, so let's finish up this makeup look. I'm gonna go back into the deepest shade on the palette. This one right here. It's very sunny, you guys. It's driving me nuts. And I'm going to apply it all over the lower lash line, bring it a little bit in the inner corners as well. And I'm going to smoke it out a little bit, that deep shade that we applied on the lower lash line. So let's line our waterline to match the wing liner that we did. And we're going to smoke it out. So it's going to be like really dark and bumpy. So for fun part, because I really want to use this shimmery mauve or wine color right here. This is the only eyeshadow we didn't use. So I'm going to apply it on the middle part of our lower lash line. So I'm going to highlight the inner corners of my eyes. And I'm just going to use my highlighter that I use on my cheeks, which is so freaking blinding. Alright, so it's freaking sunny. You can see it on my forehead, damn it. So I'm just, I try to hide from the sunlight. So I'm going to curl my lashes, apply some pulses, and I will be back with a final makeup look. So this is pretty much the eyeshadow part. And you guys, so I am back with a finished makeup look. So by the way, my hair, I just ponytail it as you can see, and I got this hair tie that I really love. This is pretty new, and yeah, I'm in love with it. I think it goes with this whole entire makeup look. I'm going to wrap up this video pretty quick. Oh yeah, by the way, for my lips, I used the liquid lipstick from Essence. This is pretty, it was from last year. And this is in the shade I'll Make You Blush. I don't think that they still sell this lip product. However, I think that you can definitely find a dupe for this lip shade somewhere else from other brand for sure. So yeah, it's just I just wear this mauvey berry wine type of color to match the eye makeup. Regarding with the e.l.f. eyeshadow quad, this is such a stunning, beautiful eyeshadow. I really like the monochromatic theme of this eyeshadow, and it's very easy to blend, and it's very pigmented and very buildable pigmentation. So I highly recommend that you check out this quad. It's very affordable. It's €4. I got this one from Douglas, and really amazing. And I'm definitely planning to get at least 2 more shades that I've been eyeing, since that I really like this one. Check out all the new products that I featured in this video. The brow product from LA Girl, the eyeliner from NYX, those are really amazing. And also the other stuff that I normally used on my makeup tutorial, because I think that they're great. But the most important thing, please get this eyeshadow quad. So thank you so much, you guys, for your wonderful support on my channel, on me. I'm very happy to read every single comments that you leave on my videos. Thank you so much. So stay happy, healthy, and safe. Wash your hands properly, and I will see you guys on my next video. And as always, be confident and stay grounded. Bye everyone.